Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable to score LinkedIn prospects for outreach. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Airtable account or create a new one if you haven't already. Create a new base for your LinkedIn prospecting. Name your base something relevant, like LinkedIn prospect scoring. Next, add a table to your base. Name this table prospects. In the first column, set the field type to single-line text and label it name. In the second column, set the field type to email and label it email address. For the third column, set the field type to single-line text and label it LinkedIn profile. In the fourth column, you might consider criteria such as job title, industry, and company size. Add additional columns for each criterion using appropriate field types. For example, create a job title field with the type single-line text. Create a field for industry as a single select and list relevant options. Next, add a company size column with its single select type. Now, set up your scoring logic. Decide how many points each criterion will be worth. For example, assign 10 points for a decision-maker role and 5 points for relevant industry experience. You can create a formula field labeled Total Score. In this formula field, combine the scores from other fields based on your scoring criteria. For instance, if your criteria include job title and industry, your formula might look like this: if job title equals decision maker, 10, 0, plus if industry equals technology, 5, 0. Once set up, you can begin adding prospects to the prospects table. Fill in the name, email address, LinkedIn profile, job title, industry, and company size for each prospect. As you fill in the data, watch how the total score updates automatically based on your defined criteria. You can then sort prospects by score to focus on the highest scoring leads first. Consider implementing views for different outreach strategies. For example, create a view to filter prospects with a score above a certain threshold. This helps streamline your outreach process. You can also use Airtable's collaboration features to share your base with team members. This will allow others to contribute and help refine your scoring criteria. Periodically revisit your scoring system to make adjustments as necessary. As your outreach evolves, ensure your criteria reflect your current goals. By following these steps, you will have a well-configured Airtable base. This base will enable you to effectively score LinkedIn prospects for outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.